Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson. Today we will discuss adding new text in a document. So we are learning introduction of word processor. So in that word processor we have learned how to create a new document, how to select the text in a document. Now today we will see how to add a new text in a document. First of all, we will open Microsoft Word, click on Start, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Office Word 2010. Okay, so this is the application. So this is the window of Microsoft Word. So in this Word, how to add a new text. Okay, so how to add a new text, so that we are going to learn. So Word allows the user to add new text to an already existing document. Okay, for example, just imagine you have one document. Okay, so just I am typing one dummy letter. Okay, just so this is only for the shown purpose. So just birthday at my residence on 16th November. You are invited to attend the birthday party at 5 p.m. Okay, so just imagine, so this is a text, and let me add another line. So kindly reach on time to enjoy the party, and here I will write the thanks, and I will write Akash. Okay, this is the text. Now in this text already letter is ready. How to add the text in between? So in this letter, how text can be added? Okay, you can add it in between, or you can add it at the end or at the beginning. So place the cursor at the point where you want to add the new text. First you have to keep the cursor from where you are going to add. Okay, now I am going to add the text here. Okay, so I'll keep the cursor. How to keep the cursor? Just click in that place. Now already I have kept, so 5 p.m. Okay, I'll write another line. I hope you will attend party. Okay, so just place the cursor and just go on type. Automatically when you go on type, cursor moves towards right side. Then so just to start the typing text, so what is required in that letter, the type text appear in the document. Now see, so this text is appearing. So first keep the cursor wherever you want to add the text. Now just you can start typing. I will write this. So this is my 6th year birthday. Okay, just I have added one sentence. 6th year birthday. So just keep the cursor and go on type. So your text will be added. In this way, text can be added in a document. So now next point is how to move the text. How to move the text from one place to another place. Moving the text. This feature is used to move the text from its original location to a new location. If you want to move the text from one original location to the new location, so how that text can be moved? So this text can be moved in different ways. Okay, so I will show you all the methods how this text can be moved. First point is, first select the text. Okay, now text is selected. Now how to select the text already, so there is one video in this playlist, so you can watch it, how to select the single word, one sentence, block of text. So everything is explained in my previous video, so please watch that video to select the text. For selecting, just hold the left mouse button and drag it down. Text will be selected. After selecting, just click on cut option in the home tab. Okay, this is the home tab and this is the cut option. Just click on cut. So now when you use this option, cut option, text gets disappear. Now see, text is disappeared. Now text is not showing in this document. Okay, so then what happens when you cut, this text moves to clipboard. Okay, you can see it, this is the clipboard. Okay, clipboard group is having all the cut, copy, paste options. Now where you want to paste this text, you have to open that application. I want to paste that text in Notepad. Okay, I'll open Notepad. Now in this, just click on edit and click on paste. See, the text is moved from this Word document to Microsoft, okay, sorry, Notepad. Now again I am going to move this text from Notepad. Okay, select the text, click on edit, click on cut. Okay, then again you can keep the cursor in this Word document. So now see here, cursor is displaying, then click on paste option, text appears. Okay, this is one method by using cut and paste. You can use the shortcut key also. Okay, select the text and press Ctrl X button. Okay, I'll open my keyboard, on screen keyboard. Okay, I'm going to open. Okay, this is the on screen keyboard. So we'll place the keyboard down. Now this is the text. Press Ctrl and X. So when you press Ctrl and X, this text gets disappear. So now see, text got disappeared. Again go to Notepad and keep the cursor, and by using that same keyboard press Ctrl and V. So when you press Ctrl and V, text again gets pasted in a new window. Okay, so in this way you can use the shortcut key to move the text from one place to another place. So this is second way of moving the text from one place to another place. Next, one more method. Select the text, right click on that selected text. So when you right click, you will get a context menu. So in this context menu, so just let me select all the text, right click on that selected text and select cut option from the context menu. You see one line got missed. Okay, so let us select all, right click and select cut option, then again go to Microsoft Word. In this Word, keep the cursor wherever you want to paste. So already cursor has been kept, then right click again and click on paste option. Okay, see here, so this is paste option and this A. So just click on, I have not clicked, just I have moved my cursor on that letter A. So this is a clipboard option. So whatever the text is stored in a clipboard, that text appears. So just click on that A button, your text gets pasted. Okay. So in this way you can move the text from one place to another place. Okay. So you can use cut option from the home tab, you can use shortcut key, that is Ctrl X button, or you can right click on that text and you can cut it. So after using the cut option, just again use the paste option from the home tab, or use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl V button for pasting. Another method is again right clicking and using the paste option. So in this way you can move the text from one place to another place. I hope you have understood these 2 points. One is adding new text and second one is moving the text. Adding text is simple. So only wherever you want to add the new text, first you have to place the cursor, you have to keep the cursor, then just go on type. So when you go on type, automatically already existing text moves towards right side and new typed text will be appear from that place. Okay, so that is adding new text. And moving the text is, text gets moved from its original location to the destination location. Destination means new application. You can open any application, like you can open Notepad or PowerPoint or any other application, and just use paste option. So whatever is stored in a clipboard, from the clipboard text gets pasted. Okay. So in this way we can use a move option in our document. Okay, so this move option is mainly used to empty the memory of our mobiles, cameras and all. So So when memory gets full, at that time, to empty that memory, you have to use cut paste option. Okay, when you use cut paste, automatically contents move from that memory card to new location wherever you are pasting. If you are pasting in pen drives and all, it gets moved. Okay, so today this is the point. If you have understood, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, any questions, you can ask. Thank you for watching.